Hey guys, and welcome to day 31 of the 40 days of pours. This is yesterday's dried result. I love it. It's so crazy. Like when I was looking at the pictures, it almost looked like it was blurry and then like came into focus. And it's so cool because like when I was pointing out stuff in the painting too in the video, it looked like my hand was like sinking into something. I love it. I love this. I love this. I love it so much. All right, and so today what we are going to do is something that Olga came up with, the girl that created the Kiss Pour. She is amazing. She is such a genius. Olga, I love you so much. It has been such an honor collaborating with her and working with her. Like just the way that she thinks is amazing. She is so genius and she's so great at helping people. So what she came up with is you do the soulmate pour, but you're gonna pour it differently. So I'm gonna pour it like normal, like I did yesterday. So I'm gonna start with the two base colors. And you don't always have to do the base colors. In fact, I actually stopped doing the two base colors, but then continued like splitting up the side with the colors. It's white and black. Oh, my paints are getting old. We're getting towards the end of the 40 days, so you know. Because these are still like the first paints that I mixed with at the beginning. So you can start to see just about how long these paints last with the mixture. All right, and then I'm gonna do like yesterday, only with the lighter colors. I'm gonna do rainbow, but I'm not gonna put the black and white in between the layers anymore. I'm just going to kind of layer them rainbow style. It's so hard to do this. I'm used to like pouring it in from cups and not bottles. So I know what Olga does is she kind of just does it like this one at a time, which is probably a lot easier than trying to do it at the same time. Wait, what did I just do? Crap. Wait, no, that's right. I get so confused sometimes. Sorry, guys. Okay, and then I'm going to end with the base colors, though. So then I see that I started with white over here, so I'm going to do white over on the opposite side. Yeah, my black is definitely getting towards the end of its life. Okay, so here's where the twist comes in. Yesterday I poured like right down the middle in between the two pours. Olga came up with the idea to actually, instead of doing that, pour one side over the other, and it is so amazing. So I'm just gonna do a simple tree ring and just pour one side over the other. All right, you see those last couple drips? You know what I'm talking about. And I'm going to spin this one. Wow, that is amazing. I just need it to get right over there. Just that one corner. All right. Oh, that's so beautiful. I love it so much. It reminds me of Rainbow Unicorn. I don't know. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, here we are for our close-up. I'm loving these lines. Look at that. Oh, I love like the color mixture. I like that I didn't put the black and white in between the colors with this layer. I'm kind of sad that I kind of got most of this off. I think I spun it just a little too much. I wish I would have stretched a little bit. But I still love, love, love what came out. This is so beautiful. And look at that. Look at those last strips. Like it's just causing this psychedelic effect, and I love it. Like that's what's so important about that pour. And it still even looks like 3D, like it's kind of sinking in, even without the swirl. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this, and I will be back tomorrow with the dried results.